I will discuss the our gas turbine is work on the Brayton cycle. So I will discuss today and in this session Brayton cycle. So a closed cycle gas turbine work on the Joule cycle and Brayton cycle. Uh, the our closed gas turbine work on the Joule cycle and Brayton cycle. What I'm saying? That means Joule cycle and Brayton cycle both are same cycle. Mean the both are power producing cycle. But the Joule cycle is used in the steam power plant, but Brayton cycle is used in the gas turbine. Mean in Joule cycle the working fluid are steam, but in Brayton cycle working fluid is our gas. That is different, but all four process of both Joule cycle and Brayton cycle are same. The PV and TS diagram both are also same. So take our first process is the isentropic compression process. That is the 1 to 2. That process is the compression process. You know in PV diagram isentropic means the adiabatic means the heat constant. When heat is constant, entropy is also constant. ds is equal to dq by dt. When our heat are constant, that our entropy are constant. And the in PV diagram the adiabatic process make a curve. So you see in figure 1 to 2 process is a curve. During 1 to 2, during the compression process our pressure and temperature are increases. In PV diagram see the our pressure is rises during the compression process. That is the our first process are completed. Our next is the constant pressure heat addition. Mean the combustion, our combustion process in the our heat addition. That heat addition in Brayton cycle, in Joule cycle at a constant pressure. See you in figure, that is the 2 to 3 process is the our constant pressure process. But in TS diagram our first process is isentropic. That means enthalpy entropy is constant. See you 1 to 2 process is the isentropic process. Here entropy is constant. And our next process is the constant pressure heat addition. In PV diagram pressure is constant, P2 is equal to P3. But see you in TS diagram constant pressure and constant volume process make a curve. So in TS diagram see you that is the constant pressure process is our make a curve. During the constant pressure heating, our temperature are rises, that is go 2 to 3, but our pressure is constant. That means our heat addition process is completed. Our next step is the isentropic expansion. Expansion means the movement of the turbine. That is the expansion process. That is heat also take as the isentropic process. Isentropic means the adiabatic process means our heat is constant. When heat is constant, that again in PV diagram make a curve. See you in figure make a curve 3 to 4. But in TS diagram in adiabatic process, during the adiabatic process our entropy yes is constant because of the heat are constant. So 3 to 4 process our yes is constant and obtain the mechanical work 3 to 4. That is the denoted by work obtained from the turbine is WT, and work done on the system, that is known as compression. QS, that is the heat addition. And the last process is the constant pressure cooling. Constant pressure cooling or pre-cooler. Pre-cooler मतलब heat reduce or heat exhaust. Simply imagine heat is loss. that process are also take as the constant pressure process. Means our 4 to 1 process is the constant pressure process. See you in figure of the PV diagram. And in TS diagram, you know constant pressure process. In TS diagram make a curve, and that is the make a curve. So that means the our Joule cycle, our Brayton cycle, both are basically 4 process. Mean one compression, again heat addition, then expansion, last one the heat reduce. So that that means the 4 process in any gas turbine cycle, that is our simple gas turbine. So first find out the work produced by turbine. You know WT is equal to, that is the light 3 to 4 between, W is equal to Cp T3 minus T4. You know when the heat is constant, when heat is constant, then the H is when heat is constant, then internal energy also 0, and that time our enthalpy H equal to our work done. You know enthalpy H is equal to mCp into delta T, mCp H into delta T. But here take a m is equal to, take a m is equal to 1, so m value is replaced by 1, Cp into delta T, higher temperature T3 minus T4. That is the work obtained from the turbine per kg of air. Means here take a air is 1 kg. Second, work consumed by compressor per kg. Here also the work consumed by our compressor is equal to W2 is equal to Cp T2 minus T1. That is the our work T2 minus T1, that is higher temperature minus lower temperature. You know net work is equal to net work produced, net work obtained from the our gas turbine cycle. W net is equal to W of turbine minus W of compressor. That W net is the actual work output of the our gas turbine. So you can write the, put the value WT and WC. You can see in figure Cp is constant, take a common. So I am take a Cp is common, then the here are available T3 minus T4 and T2 minus T1. You know heat input, that heat input through the combustion chamber, that heat supplied per kg of the air. You know Q is equal to mCp into delta T. That means m here are considered 1 kg, Cp into delta T. That is the our heat addition in see in TA diagram, heat addition process 3 to 2 process. That means T3 minus T2. What is the thermal speed? Our next step, find out the efficiency. That is our motto to each and every cycle, to find out the efficiency. Because of efficiency, to categorize the our gas turbine is the work, is the proper work or not. So find out the thermal efficiency. Thermal efficiency of the gas turbine is equal to net work output upon heat input. Mean I am discuss efficiency with the output upon input. Here our output is the net work output is the our output, and what is the input? Heat input. That ratio give the thermal efficiency. Put the W net, WT minus WC, and QA. Put the value of the WT and minus WC. In this equation, you see that is numerator, this is denominator. In denominator value T3 minus T2. So when here are in CP are cancelled first. When T3 minus T2 are here available, then T3 minus T2 are cancelled. So obtain the T3 minus T2 here to open the this koshtak. CP are cancelled. Then T3 minus T4, he will go inside, minus plus minus, and minus is plus. Take a T3 and T2 in a one bracket, mean T3 minus T2, in second bracket T4 T1, but here take a minus common, then the T4 sign is the positive, and our positive sign convert into negative. Then divide in individual part, the T3 minus T2 divide T3 minus T2, take a 1, obtain 1, minus T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T1. So that is the our thermal efficiency of the gas turbine. But he is not easiest form. To convert the easiest form, to go back in the process of the our Brayton cycle. Our first process is the for isentropic compression process 1 to 2. Mean the our 1 to 2 process is the compression process. That compression is done by isentropic process. That means the adiabatic process. Uh, in adiabatic process, relationship between temperature and pressure T2 upon T1 is equal to P2 by P1 के power gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. Put the value of the इतना we know T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 के power gamma minus 1 by gamma. And you are also study in the Otto cycle. The P2 by P1 is the compression ratio that is denoted by Rp. So I am take Rp is equal to gamma minus 1 by gamma. For isentropic expansion process, next process go to our expansion process also is the isentropic process, that means adiabatic process. So here T3 by T4 is equal to P3 by P4 के power gamma minus 1 by gamma. You see in figure and our heat addition means the P2 is equal to P3. When I am P3 replace is equal to P2, and our heat exhaust P1 is equal to P4. So P4 replaced by P1. P4 replaced by P1. That means P2 by P1 is equal to gamma minus 1. That is our next step. So compare that equation 2 and 3. What I'm saying? So T3 by T4 is equal to P2 by P1. How can I? That is our first heat addition in combustion chamber. Means the heat addition through the combustion chamber. That process take at a constant pressure. Constant pressure means the P2 is equal to P3. P2 to P3, that is the heat addition process. During heat addition the pressure take a constant, so P3 is equal to P2. And heat exhaust means the heat loss in air cooler, that P1 and P4 are equal. So put the value of P2 by P1, and the P2 by P1 that equal to T2 by T1. So our next, that is the equation third. The equation to equate obtain the equation T3 by T4, that T3 by T4 equal to T2 by T1. And here are T2 replace the position. The T4 go here, that is the divide to go here, multiply. These multiple come here to divide. Both sides of equation subtract with 1. Suppose that is our equation. In this equation both sides divide by minus 1. T3 by T1 minus 1 minus 1. When anything you are done, suppose I am solve this equation, this minus 1 go this side, plus minus, plus 1 minus 1 cancel to each other. That means this equation are neutral equation. The minus 1 both side due to no effect of the value of the T3 by T2 is equal to T4 by T1. Anything you are do in both side. When plus 1 both side, then do not effect. Now multiply by 8, multiply by both side. Anything you are do both side, same thing. That time no effect in equation. This take a LCM. Here T2 is the LCM. To multiply T2, T3 minus T2 divided by T2 equal to T4 minus T1. So take here LCM T1, but here are not a T1 to multiply here. So T4 minus T1 divided by T1. And in our efficiency is equal to 1 minus T3, T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2. So this the T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2. So the replaced by the to go here T1 and T3 minus T2 come to here. That is our next step. Because of our efficiency in the form of 1 minus T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2. So this term replaced by T1 by T2. So compare the equation 5 and equation 1. Obtain the efficiency is equal to 1 minus T1 by T2, and this T1 by T2 also you write by 1 by T2 by T1. T2 by T1, I will say that the Rp के power gamma minus 1 by gamma. So that equation, that efficiency only not for our Brayton cycle. This efficiency also same as the efficiency of our Carnot cycle. that equation say that. And the second equation, and this equation convert to this equation, you know. And you know, our Otto cycle efficiency is equal to 1 minus rp k power gamma minus 1 by gamma. That mean our Brayton cycle, Joule cycle numerical value, mean the numerical value of the efficiency are same as the Otto cycle and Carnot cycle. You know, I am proof here. That is that equation is the proof of this theorem. So that the equation is say the efficiency of Carnot cycle equal to Brayton cycle efficiency are same. Both our Carnot cycle efficiency and Brayton cycle efficiency are same, but that is the not possible. You know, I am discussing Carnot cycle is the hypothetical cycle. That is only numerically I will say that the here to our Carnot cycle is the efficiency is same as the Brayton cycle and also same as the Otto cycle.